How do? How do? How do? Hey, hey.
Olly, my granddad smashed that, and so we're gonna do that another time. So we're taking this off. So let's put that back to there to screw it off.
A bit more, Ollie.
Like that.
What are you putting back on?
The brand new one.
It's not brand new, it's second hand, isn't it? Where do you get that from?
I
A member at Talbot Owners Club.
a member from the core club.
Yeah, go on. Right, carry on.
That's it. This off. Put it nice and straight. Also, keep them safe. Put them in your pocket. And take this off. Take all the screws off. Take it off.
How do you know which way around that goes?
This way.
Okay. You got to tell them, you see, and then they know.
That needs to go through there. Yeah.
What do you want me to do? I thought you'd done it. You've done it once. There. There you go. All right.
Can you see that white bit? Last time it was leaking, wasn't it?
It was, yeah.
Now it's nice and fixed. I'm gonna do that last.
Have you changed your screw setting?
No.
You haven't told them.
Make sure it's nice and tight.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Well Well done. Tell them then that's how it's done.
That's how it's done.
How much?
How much are you charging me?
$100.
$100. Okay. Well done, Ollie. Are you going to say tra to your fans?
Bye.
Well, what do you think of that? No guidance. He did it all himself. It goes to show, doesn't it, that they do actually listen. Kids actually listen. Can't believe that. He's done it all himself. He was pissed off with me though when he saw it all smashed up. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. And what does Ollie say?
How do?
How do? Right, thanks for watching. See you later.